was wondering what would be challenging but also fun for my daughter. I tried worksheets, but they are so one time. I want something that she can go back again and again without losing interest.
Sounds like you're asking for the world, Sarah. Still, let me think. I think puzzles fit your description. It is good to develop memory skills, and at the same time, it also helps in planning, testing ideas, and solving problems. While a child is working on a puzzle, they have to remember colors, shapes, positions, and strategies to complete them.
So much for one puzzle. How?
For instance, let's say your child is working on a puzzle with watermelon in it. Every time they receive a piece of watermelon, they think about the shape and the color of watermelon. Older kids even think about letters and words.
That's so true. I never thought about it. Also, puzzles are something that the child can work independently. Finally, I got some alone time.
Looks like you got the world that you asked for.
Thanks, Sona. I'm definitely going to try it today with my daughter.